காப்பி பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? அதே பென்ட்ரைவ் தான். பென்ட்ரைவ் தான். தூக்கி அப்படியே ஸ்கிரீன் அப்படியே அங்கே இருக்கும்.
ரெடியா? யார் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றீங்க? ஸ்டார்டிங் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாமாப்பா? கொஞ்சம் இருங்க, ரெடியா இருங்க.
Very good morning to one and all present here. With the blessing of the Almighty, it gives us immense pleasure to extend a warm welcome to our respected Vice Principal, Dr. S. Kumar sir, our Head of the Department, Computer Science and Engineering, Dr. A. M. Kalpana Madam, Head of various departments, teaching and non-teaching faculty members, our distinguished friends, participants from various institutions, and our students to Zyra' 2026. The technical symposium organized by the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. We will also like to grateful acknowledgement to valuable guidance and encouragement of our respected principal, Dr. B. Madam. Due to certain official commitments, Madam is unable to join us for today's event. But we sincerely thank her for her constant support and encouragement for organizing this event. Education shapes not only our knowledge, but also our character and life. A meaningful comment God says, "கல்வி மனிதனுக்கு பணிவை அளிக்கும், பணிவு மனிதனுக்கு inauguration, learning, and technical excellence through Zyra' 2026. With this inspiring thought, today marks a meaningful beginning of innovation, learning, and technical excellence through Zyra' 2026. Let us commence today's program with Tamil Toy Garden. I kindly request everyone to rise for the I kindly request everyone to rise for the attention. Hello. Life symbolizes knowledge, wisdom, and prosperity. To mark the auspicious beginning of Zyra' 2026, we respectfully invite our dignitaries to light the traditional lamp. Now I like to invite our distinguished speakers to light the lamp. I invite all our dignitaries to the stage, please. Our distinguished chief guest to light the lamp. Our vice principal sir, Dr. Cse Symposium. Our head of the department, CSE, Dr. Kalpana Madam, to light the lamp. Our faculty coordinator, Mr. Alok sir, to light the lamp. And finally, our secretary, Valan Kumar, to light the lamp. A warm welcome sets the perfect tone for a successful gathering. I now invite Mr. Gaurav Young Secretary to deliver the welcome address.
Good morning, everyone. Hello. Good morning, everyone. It is such a joy to see all of you gathered in this event. On behalf of our government college engineering, Dharmapuri, I welcome each and everyone to our college. With gratitude in my heart, I warmly welcome our Vice Principal, Dr. Gce Symposium Zyra'26, whose presence makes make our event more value. And with gratitude in my heart, I welcome our whose ideas make our dreams to big. It is to extend a special and respectful welcome to our chief guest, Ms. Abhinaya. We are truly thankful for your presence today. And I welcome our sir, faculty, Alok Kumar sir, whose idea and guidance makes this function more better and fully designed. Finally, to our dear students and participants from our various colleges, this event is truly for you and because of you. Your energy are what makes our Zyra' 2026 vibrant talent. So, with lot of excitement and positivity, I once again welcome you all. Let's enjoy the day, learn together, and create memories together. Thank you.
Thank you for that warm and thoughtful welcome address, which has set a positive tone for Zyra' 2026. To provide a glimpse into the vision, objectives, and wide-range activities of our symposium, we now invite you all to watch a short video presentation on Zyra' 2026.
Play பண்ணு. சவுண்ட் வரலடா. சவுண்ட் வரலடா. ப்ரோ, அப்புறம் என்ன ப்ரோ? சவுண்ட் வரலடா. ரீல்ஸ்ல போடாதீங்க. சவுண்ட் இருக்குடா. சவுண்ட் வர மாட்டேங்குது. இப்போ எங்க சவுண்ட்? நீ அந்த ஃபோல்டர்ல போடா. ஆஃப் பண்ணிடுடா. ஆடியோ கரெக்ட்டா தான் இருக்கு. எல்லாரும் பாடிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. அதான் லாஸ்ட் டைம். Yeah, let's go. நீங்க புடிங்க பாத்துக்கலாம். ஐயா சொல்லுவ இப்ப போடு போடு. சரி டக்குன்னு சவுண்ட் வருதா? அவரு
We hope this video gave you a clear insight into the spirit and purpose of Zyra'26. Strong leadership lays the foundation for every successful academic invention. I now invite our head of the department, Computer Science and Engineering, Dr. A.M. Kalpana Madam, to deliver the inaugural address.
Good morning to the respected dignitaries, dear faculty members, dear students, and chief guest is Abhinaya, who is our proud alumnus, and Dr. Senthil Kumar, Vice Principal, and creative principals, and all the heads of the department. So I take immense pleasure and honor to extend a warm and hearty welcome to all the external participants from various colleges. Our technical symposium Zyra'26 is organized by Department of Computer Science and Engineering in a grand manner. So I am delighted to present the success report of the CSE department, highlighting the outstanding achievements of our students across placement, hackathons, internship, higher education, and competitive examinations. In this junction, I would like to thank our principal madam in absentia for providing us all the encouragement and support to attend this technical symposium. So, regarding the placements during the academic year 2025-26, our students achieved a good placement records. Mr. Tamilarasu has secured placement at Zoho with a package of 8 lakhs per annum. Saravana Darshini secured placement at Infosys through non-government scheme. Sabinaya secured placement at Krypton Technology at E-Road. And moreover, another 10 students were placed in the MNC companies. So our hackathons achievements, our students have demonstrated strong innovation and technical expertise in hackathons. On 1st November 2025, Kamalasu and his team won 10,000 cash prize in the hackathon conducted by SRM University, Chennai. In February 2026, Kamalasu, Nandini, Hariprasad and Soundarya won the third prize with the cash award in the hackathon conducted by the EC department at GC Cse. And Sashant Kumar and his team won 3,000 cash award in the same hackathon conducted by our college. Regarding the internships, our students have gained valuable industry and international exposure. In Jan 2026, Vinodini completed 1 week internship at Siemens Mumbai. In 24, Arun completed a 1 week internship with Durham University, UK. Our students also excelled in technical competitions and symposium events. In February 2026, Vinodini and Vituja secured first and second prizes, respectively, in symposium events conducted at PCT board. During academic year 24-25, Praveen Kumar and Keertana secured 1 lakh first prize in Negal Tirula 2.0. During the academic year 23-24, Ganesh Kumar and his team won 10,000 prize in Negal Tirula 1.0. And in higher education, the students in 2023, Mauli Raj secured admission at the Anna University Hindi campus, and Mr. Kavin has secured GATE All India rank of 338 and gained admission at IAC Bangalore, and Manoj secured admission at Anna University Hindi. Regarding the sports achievement, apart from academic excellence, our students have also excelled in sports. In 2025, Pavitra Roshni won the bronze medal in Sweden Trophy State Judo Championship and received 50,000 cash prize. In 24, she won the gold medal in Junior State Judo competition. She also secured gold medals for the 4 consecutive years in Anna University Interzone Judo competition. Regarding the coding club and design contest, the coding club of Computer Science and Engineering Department serves as an active platform for the students to develop their programming skills, logical thinking, and problem-solving abilities. The club regularly organizes coding challenges, technical discussion, workshops, and practice sessions that encourage students to expose various programming languages, algorithms, and modern technologies. We also organize design contests to encourage creativity and innovation among the students. These contests provide an opportunity for participants to showcase their artistic and technical skills through poster design, UI and UX design, logo creation, and digital artwork. So today's symposium includes variety of technical and non-technical events designed to encourage innovation, teamwork, and knowledge sharing among the students. I am confident that these events will provide a wonderful learning experience and create lasting memories for all the participants. These achievements clearly reflect the dedication, hard work, and determination of our students. They also highlight the continuous support and guidance provided by our faculty members and the institution. On this proud occasion, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to all achievers. May your success continue to inspire many more students in the years to come. I wish the symposium a grand success and hope all the participants make the most of this opportunity. I congratulate the final year students and third year and second year students for organizing this event in a good manner. Thank you and all the best.
Thank you very much, madam, for your inspiring and encouraging inaugural address. Your words truly set the right direction for the proceedings of Zyra' 2026.
As a mark of our gratitude and respect, we now proceed with the token of appreciation ceremony. We request our Vice Principal Sir, Dr. S. Kumar Sir, to present a token to our distinguished chief guest.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. We request our head of the department, CSE, Dr. A. M. Kalpana Madam, to honor our Vice Principal, Dr. S. Kumar Sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Finally, we request Mr. Alok Kumar Sir to honor our head of the department, CSE, Dr. A. M. Kalpana Madam. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. We appreciate our secretary and treasurer to honor to present the token. Treasurer and secretary come on to the stage. We request Mr. Alok Kumar Sir to honor our treasurer, Ms. Priyadasi. Thank you, dignitaries, for your constant encouragement and support. We once again extend our sincere gratitude to our respected principal, Dr. Gce Madam, whose encouragement and guidance have supported the successful organization of this event. We are honored to invite our respected Vice Principal, Dr. S. Kumar Sir, to address the gathering.
Respected head of the department, Dr. A. M. Kalpana. Today's chief guest, Ms. Abhinaya, technology analyst, staff coordinator, A. Alok Kumar, student secretaries, heads of various departments, PA to principal, Bazaar, professors of our college, staff members, and students. Good morning to all of you. Zyra'26. It's a different name. I just in the Google I searched the meaning of Zyra, what it is. It says it's a brightness. How it is related to this program, I was thinking. But when I occupy the dais, I understand that your faces are very bright, which we could not see in the classroom. In the classroom, their faces are very dull. Many people sleepy. But here I am able to see the bright faces. It's good. Of course, the computer science is a very good department. The students get CSE departments with a very high cutoff mark. Maybe during the admission process, we go through what is the cutoff students are awarded to our college. The CSE students having more cutoff and also to our college, and this is the first department will be filled in the counseling process. It says that you are all very bright students. You have got a good mark and offered seat in Government College of Engineering in Dharmaburi. Right? Is it sufficient? But after you join here, you study so many subjects. If you are excel in all subjects and get high marks only, you are able to achieve success in your life. As far as the computer science engineering is concerned, the artificial intelligence is threatening. Many of you might have thought, if I study computer science, at the end of the year I may get job. But now it is slightly difficult because of the generating artificial intelligence. You may think like that. Even I also thinking like that. The AI is moving over, and it may reduces the number of jobs. With that mindset, I was searching in the net. What is really opportunity for the computer science students in the area of generating AI? I astonished because there are a variety of job openings are available. I have seen one particular video. It says many jobs are available for computer science and engineering students, particularly in the artificial intelligence category. I have gone through and felt that if these areas, if I inform to the students, probably the students may motivate towards the particular area and you can develop the skills and you may get the base. I would like to read out certain areas where the AI is implemented. The first one is the rise of brain computing interface. Of course, a chip, microprocessor chip will be implanted in the human body and which will communicate to the brain. If a person thinks that he wants to move the cursor on the computer, if he thinks the signal will be communicated to the processor and the cursor in the computer will be moving. It has become easy for the users. Not only that, it is involved, it offers very good advantage in medical industry. For example, if a physically challenged person sitting in a movable chair, if he himself not able to move, but if he thinks, I want to move towards forward about 10 feet, he thinks that the signal from the brain will go to the chip, the communication to the chip will come to the vehicle, movable chair, and the chair will move. So not only that, you can move left to right, whatever the directions, if you want to stop. So everything is possible. So that is the beauty of this brain computing interface. Not only that, if a person affected by stroke, if he wants to do his lift, then if he thinks that he wants to do the lift upwards or downwards, he can easily do it. So that is the beauty of BCI. It is a part of artificial intelligence. So students should think on this line and you can develop your own idea and give solution for any kind of problems. The second one is generative AI, which becomes default, which will be used to edit your images, audios, videos. So editing, we have witnessed a video taken. This AI is used, and we have seen how our college looks, how to enhance the video, pictures, whatever it is. So this is all because of the generative AI. I appreciate the students who have developed this generative AI video about our college. Next, artificial intelligence agents. If it is properly developed, this artificial intelligence agents will communicate to the customer and it will answer all the questions raised by the customer. So there is no human requirements. So this machine itself will communicate to all the customers and it will feed the information to the management. So these are the areas students can think of. Not only that, humanoid robots, AI powered home automation, FGA chips everywhere, AI in healthcare gets personal, AI glasses replace screens, quantum computing, near security, wireless that know you better than you do. Then AI operating systems, which are nowadays used in our mobile phones, AI enhanced robotics, workflow automation, privacy first AI and local processing, smart infrastructure, and IoT 2.0. There are many devices, IoT devices have come up which are used in many places to sense various requirements of our life. Then AI crafted experiences in extended reality. This is all I do not know. Maybe these are topic given. You may be students and computer science people may know about it. And no code development. Computer science students, but basically we all think that they have to write codes. Maybe using Python or C, C++, you have to write coding. But it says that the coding is all not necessary. Everything is menu based. You can pick up and paste and you can prepare and complete the job. So that is the kind. So at the time of you join, you can think that you have to write programs to get jobs and all, but offer this AI intervention, it is not like that. You know how to use the particular software, you can achieve the job. So that is the trend going on. So I see that the students' interest towards placement is less. There are many students are not at all motivated towards the placement. Your parents like that if you come out of this college with a job, they are very happy. But I see here students are not interested in placements, they just like that attend the placements and all that. I don't know how this information came to our Director of Technical Education. They are planning to support for placement activities. Yesterday we had a meeting with the DOTs, and DOT, if you are all lucky, the DOT is shortly going to introduce a software where you can develop your resume, very effective resume. If you feed the data, your address, your 10th mark, +2 mark, your B mark, the talent qualification, what are the projects they have done, what are the paper presented. So all these things, details if you enter, it will give you a very nice resume, very attractive resume will be generated. The students are distributing the snacks may reduce noise. Even it can be distributed after this inaugural function. Otherwise, without making noise, you distribute. Students are very keen on getting the snacks. Right, so the DOTE is proposing a new software to all the students. So where it will feed the data, it will prepare a very good resume, very attractive resume, which will be appreciated by the companies. So that is the beauty. Not only that, if you want to join in a particular company, say Infosys, there is a list of companies available. If you choose Infosys, then it will show you what are the requirements of that company, what are the things you have to develop yourself to get job in Infosys. So that kind of details will be given. Not only that, it will take mark-up interview. Because of this artificial intelligence is all developed, it will ask questions about your subject. First, it will ask what is the area of interest. If you mention your area of interest related to that, questions will be asked. Based on that, this artificial intelligence based system itself will analyze yourself and put marks. So this you are qualified, your mark is 70%, or you are not qualified, your mark is less than 50. Everything is developed in that software. You can make use of it right from developing a very good resume and develop your skills. It also shows you in what are the areas you are weak and where are the areas you have to strengthen. So all these details will be displayed in the system so that you can understand and you can equip yourself for the betterment of your life. So you are all lucky studying in Government Engineering College. Our government is going to propose this kind of efforts and facility for you. So with that, I would like to conclude. I appreciate the organizers for conducting this event in a grand manner. I appreciate all the participants and you actively participate in all the activities conducted in this event and get knowledge and get benefited. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your valuable guidance and motivating words. We now move on to one of the most awaited moments of the program. I request Ms. felicitation, fourth year student, to kindly introduce our chief guest.
A very good morning to everyone present here. It is a great honor and privilege for me to introduce our esteemed chief guest, Abhiya Madam. Abhiya Madam is a proud alumna of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering 2022 batch. She was honored with the Best Outgoing Student Award of the entire college in 2022, a prestigious recognition of her academic excellence, leadership, and overall outstanding performance. She created history by securing her placement in the entire college at Econ Systems, Indian Private Limited. Reflecting her strong technical knowledge and determination, she further earned placement at HCL Technologies through campus recruitment. Today, Abhiya Madam is working as a technology analyst at Limited Device Limited of Indian Group, continuing her journey of excellence in the corporate world. Her transformation from a brilliant student of this institution to a successful technology professional is truly inspiring for all of us. On behalf of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to our respected chief guest, Abhiya Madam. Thank you.
Thank you for the clear introduction. With great pleasure and honor, I invite our chief guest to deliver the chief guest address.
A very warm welcome to all of you who are present here. And a lot of thanks to the head of the department, principal and vice principal, and our special Alok Kumar sir for inviting me to this session. So, as I was speaking, it was very, how to say, it was a very emotional moment for me. So, I doubted what I did to deserve this place. But the support they have provided me to come to this place has been very immense. So it is so happy to see so many of our juniors sitting here. It is the history, and we left here with a lot of memories. So hopefully you get the same lot of memories. I hope. And truthfully speaking, I don't remember much of what we did in our symposium. Like I don't remember the leader's speech. But based on what I perceive, I'm sharing many of my experiences from my job and everything. So hope it will be helpful. Bear with me for less than 15 minutes. So I have passed. So I did my BTech in CSE from 2028 to 2022, and I got 2 offers from the on-campus itself, and I joined HCL in 2022. So I joined as a software engineer. I was into development and tech role, and today I'm working as a technology analyst. So it is a part of technical as well as analysis for the business part. So I'm right now working in the UPL part of technical role. So before going into my context, I just want to understand how, how you are separated. Like how many of you are actually trying to get a job? Can you raise your hands? Quick, real quick. Hello. How many are preparing for government exams? Okay. How many of you are preparing for higher studies? Yeah. Please be active. So I'll not take more than 15 minutes. So my short code I'll say is build an unfair advantage. What is building an unfair advantage? It is doing small things every day, which in progress will give you a great success going forward in the future. So I'll start with my journey. As usual, I got placement. Almost 50 of our college students got placed in HCM. So everybody joined. We got a training for 3 months, and then we have to clear a test, and then we will be deployed into project. So everybody got something to work on. So what makes people very special or unique about what they do? So it is the understanding of job versus career. So job is what you do for the salary versus career planning is what you do for long term. It is a long term investment you make on yourself to be unique. And smart upskilling. There will always be random courses everywhere. And once you join the company, obviously they will give you a learning platform. You will have a high-end courses starting from Excel till AI and semiconductors, everything. So, carefully planning your smart upskilling journey will help you in a real good way. So, what is the industry that I'm going to get in, and where I want to be in the next 5 years? Obviously, you will not have answers. Where you will be in the next 5 years? But never forget to check in yourself every year what I'm doing and where I'm planning ahead. And then building early leverage. So just I joined the company, they'll give me some tasks, they will assign me. So where I made myself visible to them. If you are being one among five, you will never be visible. So what made me visible is some smart leverage ideas that I did early in my career. So how many of you know SharePoint? Please raise your hands. How many of you know SharePoint?
Okay, so it is a Microsoft tool that is help to manage your project documentation in a single repository. So when I first joined, I was just a normal software engineer. But what I volunteered is to maintain a SharePoint site where all the project information will be stored. What it helped me to achieve is I could understand the roadmap of any project, how strategies happen, how business works, how in long-term business plan to success. So that was my long-term career. So I took that advantage of doing that SharePoint and thereby I made myself visible. Like I could understand the entire project workflow, I could give solutions. And the other one is daily checker, like daily tracker or Jira board we say. Like every day we used to check it like 15 minutes to check the status what everybody is doing. So I volunteered myself to do that. So where I can ask everybody what they are working on, what is your blocker, what is stopping you from doing something. So I could understand my team more. I can ask for help from anyone because I know what they are doing. And third one is regular feedback. Even in your college or your job, ask for feedback, what you are performing. We are not good in all things, that is very true. So ask for feedback and they will give you a little good feedback. So one such of my best feedback moment was when I was attending interviews in Hosur Titan. I was taken for the transformation project manager role. I was coming here and attending from the site itself. So I didn't got selected obviously, but I just asked for the feedback. Every round I ask for feedback. And the feedback that they have given is very life transformative for me. Normally would not get such a real feedback on interviews. Like they said where I'm performing very well, where I can improve, what they are expecting, what industries are expecting, where they are good at. So that was very life transformative. I could improve myself very well in the next coming days. So obviously, once you are into job, like most of you are in the third year and second year, so job is obviously may not matter. But these are some traps that people may fall for. One is comfort zone trap. Once people got job, they might be doing the routine work that will really stop your growth. So you have to do a check-in every time and start upskilling yourself. The comfort zone might kill you, and 5 years of experience may not be the real truth, and it just be a 1 year of skill. So there are a lot of technologies. I'm not going to say where you can go and learn. There is a better of tools, videos, documentaries, articles, everything available everywhere. If you are not getting a job, it is just your problem, not others' problem. There is plenty of opportunities to learn, plenty of opportunities to apply for. You have to volunteer yourself to learn what things are happening across industries. So many recent technologies like AI, cloud, data, DevOps, these are the recent technologies and plenty of videos and also Coursera courses where you can apply for free and a lot of free Udemy courses are freely available. And salary EMI trap. So I've seen a lot of my friends who once they started earning salary, yes, might have a dream to get yourself a new mobile, new car, everything. So once you start into that, you might start to become your business. You will fear to take any new steps. That will always hinder your growth. And as a corporate, once I enter into corporate and service-based industries, I got opportunities to look into a lot of other industries that is aligning with the computer science graduate. Like not only the service-based industries are your recruiters, there are a lot of other domains. One such is IT service, obviously that where the major hiring happens, like Infosys, TCS, HCL, and similarly product-based ones like Zoho and Freshworks. And there is a big another domain called BFSI, that is banking, finance, and investment services. So where you can see the recent development, a very major company that is the Sparkles Credit, your credit card payment application. I know many of might be using. It will give you rewards for using, like paying back your credits. So that was one of the reasons. Very innovative application developed by Keynote. And then you have e-commerce, quick commerce, all the Myntra and Amazon, Blinkit, Zepto, everyday delivery options. These are some of the, and many startups are there in this sector. And telecommunication, the Nokia, Airtel, these are the telecommunication providers. And embedded systems, e-com, which are obviously got selected. This is semiconductor one. You can become a designer. You know, it is easy for them to hire an easy graduate and make them work in the semiconductor. But why are they hiring these people? Because you are very fast in coding, you can learn yourself, you can train yourself very well and equip yourself much better than other departments. They prefer CSE to make them work in the semiconductor. So really make use of such opportunities and also our vice principals have mentioned the various other domains. Very important one is medical. Medical coding is one of the top high-paying jobs in India. And we have other sectors. One of mine, which I'm working, is manufacturing. So we have FMCG companies. We have Unilever and various other companies, Costco, everything. These are FMCG companies which hire many people, but your core will be very niche. And then we have automobiles. One such example, you can go for industrial visit is TVS Hosur. It is a highly automated industry, and you can go for Ford, for AutoCAD designing, you learn about that in Chennai. And we have pharma, the highest growing industry right now. And we can never say that opportunities are not here. Many companies are opening GCC. GCC represents Global Capability Center, which is a highly talented space where they come for to keep on their key process. Like they do R&D, data analysis and data science, and key operations. So many companies have recently set up their GCC centers across Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Delhi. So such companies include Amazon, Microsoft, and BMS like in banking, Goldman Sachs, and JP Morgan have set up their one in Pune. And consulting, Deloitte, PwC have set up, and FMCG, obviously our Heineken, McDonald's, Costco. So in Heineken, it is actually another Netherlands-based company. Their biggest market is Europe. But why are they coming and setting up their GCC Global Capability Center here in Hyderabad? Because talents are rich in India and you are getting so many opportunities out there to outshine. And there are so many business models like B2B, B2C, and B2B2C. So many companies fall under this B2C, food delivery apps. They are very fast in the production level and they need high expert people. And also not software development or software engineers, the only role that you can look for. There are also data analytics and data science. And there is a cloud and infrastructure and develop the DevOps and network engineers will come. None of your subject is for easy. Everything is a very big department out there and huge companies are working on that. And backbone of AI or any recent development, IoT, everything is cyber security. So I also work in cyber security. You know, it's a very vast subject, like you can never cover it in a single year like that. So it is a very vast one. If you are really interested in cyber security, there are various ways, certifications to get yourself, and it is one of the highly booming industry right now. And always you have quality assurance, where automation testing is highly taken place. And next role is for me, like product or business technology roles. I work with the breweries. I go for the manufacturing unit. I know the tech to implement the new technologies. So I understand the business and take the technology and implement. This gives me the best leverage. Like nobody can replace me. I know the business. I know my customers, and I know the business and I know the technology. And your skills are actually transferable across industries. I started as a software engineer and transformed into this role. So wherever, just be skilled. That will help you anything. So I have few ideas how you can build your unfair advantage. So on the second year in your second year or something, you should know how to learn. Technology is going to change forever, more rapidly than what we had before. So we know to how to learn because learning is going to be a constant journey in your entire career. So know how to learn. Do micro learning. Micro learning is something you learn very short in a very short period of time. Like awareness into some topic like that. And do a lot of projects, internships, and improve your communication. Build curiosity to learn more. You're into the department. You should know about the department. You should carry the pride that you are to see the and we can answer any questions related to computer science. And if you are in third year, get a lot of exposure. Like do a lot of internships outside, do ITs, not only corporate companies or the IT sectors. Go for a manufacturing unit. Kosoor and Bangalore is one of the booming hub for a lot of startups as well as many manufacturing industries. Like automation that you can see that high-tech is really amazing. You can go for industrial business, plan your business. Like you have to volunteer yourself and plan for industrial visits and placement journeys, everything. And that is a lot of hackathons. You win or you lose, but you learn always. So attend a hackathon and learn about industrial tools. What industries are using? What are the tools that industries are using? How can we implement it in ours? What is the coding platform they use? How we can leverage it in our own use? And if you are in the final year, so do a very good placement preparation. Your aptitude is what going to keep you in the race. Like if you fail in that aptitude round, you are not even in the race. So never get disqualified. It's from my personal learning. Never get disqualified with aptitude round. So what we got into that, interviews will happen, you will get feedback, you will learn from that. But if you are not even into the race, you will not get the learn. And build a good communication skills and also portfolio. It is bare minimum you could do to get yourself a job, like any GitHub repository or any other portfolios or just a record of all the projects you did, your learnings, your roles. It will help you to go in a long way. It is the bare minimum you can do to get yourself a job. And show willingness to learn because learning is something that is always going to keep you on the move. And that's all. Any questions? Sure, thank you. Thank you all for giving me such a good opportunity and thank you very much.
Thank you very much, madam, for your insightful and motivating address. Your words have truly inspired our young minds and added great value to Zyra' 2026. As the comment says goes, Nanshi Marakadin Nanchala. I now invite Mr. Rahul P. to take the oath of thanks.
Good morning everyone. A very pleasant day to everyone present here. On behalf of the Organizing Committee of Zyra' 26, I would here to deliver the vote of thanks. First, I sincerely thank our chief guest, Ms. Abhinaya, our esteemed alumni, for accepting our invitation and their inspiring us with valuable words. My heartfelt thanks to our respected principal, Dr. V. Sumari ma'am, and Vice Principal, Dr. S. Sejitkumar sir, for their constant support and encouragement. I also thank our head of the department, Dr. A.M. Kalpana ma'am, for their guidance and leadership. A special thanks to our staff coordinator, Mr. Alok Kumar sir, for his great support in coordinating this event. I would also like to thank all the faculty members, staff, and especially third years and second years and final year students to encourage and support this event to make possible. Finally, thank you for all the participants from various colleges to make Zyra' 2026 energetic and memorable. Once again, thank you for all the participants who are from various colleges to present here. Thank you everyone.
We sincerely thank all dignitaries, faculty members, participants, and students for their gracious presence and cooperation. Thank you.
ஒரு சுத்தம் கூட்டம் கூப்பிட்டு அப்புறம் கிட்ட பாட்டு நான் வெளியே சொல்றேன் நானே ஏதோ தமிழ்
வேற காலேஜ்ல வந்து ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ் யாரா ரெஜிஸ்ட்ரேஷன் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணாம இருந்தீங்கன்னா கொஞ்சம் போய் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிடுங்க. டெக்னிக்கல் ஈவென்ட்ஸ் யாரா அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணிருக்கீங்களோ அவங்க ஈவென்ட் even awareness,
சவுண்ட் கொடுத்துறது இரு கேட்டு வரேன் என்னதுக்கு சொல்றேன்